This video shows how to buy shares of CLYM Bio Inc., a biotech company traded on the NASDAQ under the ticker CLYM. CLYM Bio develops and scales biomanufacturing solutions and related technologies. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy CLYM, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your account before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CLYM to find the CLYM Bio Inc. listing. Confirm you select the NASDAQ entry that matches the company name to ensure it's the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for CLYM. Check the company description and market listing to confirm this is the correct CLYM Bio Inc. stock. Tap the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to allocate and choose order type, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, you will see your position listed in your portfolio as a CLYM holding. A soft reminder, the link to eToro is in the description below if you want to follow the demo example.